Have you guys played the Dragon Train? This is the one. If you don't know, now you know.
It's got better action.
We got 7 cash in there. $5 bet. Let's see some magic happen.
Magic happen.
I got a little bit going over here too. I'm betting half of what he went up. A little bit. Man, you can't film in here, man. I'm on the lookout. I guess that's Cali. That or you probably can, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Dang, 2.5 undone. Oh, I stopped it. Let's see what's going on over here. Dragon Train, y'all. 7 free. Need re-triggers. Let's go, fill the screen. Fill the screen. Come on, last one. Let's go. Minor. $50 holla. Fill the screen, baby, 2 more. What we get? 11 racks. Fill the screen. Come on. Fill the screen. 11 racks. They want to give it to us. They want to give it to us. They want to give it to us. No. They didn't want to give us the 11 racks, man. They didn't want to give it to us. No.